Hello, Jasmine. So let me get yours open here. I already did it. I lost the file. Okay, I saw this on somebody else's, but it still works. So let's see how it goes. I can see right away that your file is set up correctly. You basically just want one thing to go after another. I don't think you want this shift, so it's like you've got an extra keyframe there, so I'm gonna say clear keyframe. Yeah, then that won't happen. See, dun, dun, dun. Looks great. I'm proud of you for creating your own art. All right, so it looks good. You do have it set up correctly, and you're good to go. If this is not what you intended it to look like, then just know that this is what it will look like on everybody else's computer other than yours. So, oh, there's another shift. That just means, let's see, don't, yeah, there's a shift, which means you have, you just click on that extra keyframe and you say clear keyframe, then you won't get the shift. All right, let me know if you have any questions.